And here I need to go ahead and edit my profile. Under the profile page, you should see a YouTube and an Instagram option. You see I already added my YouTube account, and it's a really great way to get more views on YouTube and to get more followers on Instagram. So if I press add Instagram, it's gonna take me to this page to log in with my Instagram account that I want to add. So make sure you connect to the right Instagram account. I'm just gonna log in here. Now it says TikTok is requesting to get access about my media and profile, so I have to press authorize here. And now I'll press save on top. And now if I go back to edit profile, you see that my Instagram and YouTube are now connected. So let me go ahead and press save one more time, come back. So now if someone comes in my profile page and presses that play icon next to edit profile, you see that Instagram and YouTube are the two options here. So if you press Instagram, it's gonna simply get access and open up Instagram back to that page that I just linked to. So this is a great way to cross-promote things that are happening in TikTok and on Instagram. So for example, there was a new update on TikTok, so I made a video and I could give it a shout out, say, check out my Instagram page on my bio, and then people could go to my bio here, press this link, and then go ahead and go to Instagram and follow me back here. I hope you found this quick TikTok video useful. I have dozens of TikTok videos and hundreds of Instagram videos on this channel, so make sure you subscribe so you never miss the next video, and I'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching.